डियर व्यूअर, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम जो आज पीपीएससी में ईएससी जर्नल PS14 का टेस्ट हुआ है उसके जो सवालात सोशल मीडिया से हमें हासिल हुए हैं वो आपकी पेश खिदमत है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, हु मूव्ड द पाकिस्तान रेजोल्यूशन इन 1940? इट्स आंसर इज AK फजल हक। Next question, the Texla civilization is primarily associated with which ancient cultural religion? Its answer is Gandhara. Next question, what is the capital of city of Germany? Its answer is Berlin. Next question, Anwar Sadat served as president of which country? Egypt. Next question, in what month and year did the United States complete its withdrawal from Afghanistan? Its answer is August 2021. Next question, how many total teams are scheduled to participate in the Championship Trophy 2025? 8 teams. What is common antonym for the word urge? Its answer is discourage or deter. Next question, what is the common synonym for the word resolute? Its answer is determine or firm. Next question, on what specific date did Pakistan officially join the United Nations? Its answer is September 30, 1947. Next question, in what year was the United Nations UN founded? 1945. What is the meaning of Urdu idiom Nani Yaad Aana? Its answer is to be in a great trouble, बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत में होना. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मफूल क्या है इस जुमले में? मैं अखबार पढ़ता हूँ, तो इसका आंसर है अखबार. Next question, in which city is the United Nations Human Rights Headquarters located? Geneva. Which Prime Minister of Pakistan was dismissed by President Ziaul Haq in May 1988? Muhammad Khan Junejo. On what date was the first Constitutional Assembly of Pakistan dissolved? October 24, 1954. In computing, what is the primary function of a uniform resource locator, URL? Its answer is to specify the address of a resource on the internet. What is the primary function of read-only memory, ROM, in a computer system? To store permanent instructions for booting the system. Donbass is a disputed region located in which country? Its answer is Ukraine. Who was the opposing candidate against Sardar Ayaz Sadek in the recent election for Speaker of the National Assembly? Its answer is Malik Amir Togar. Next question, in which type of learning curriculum approach is knowledge typically a computerized into separate subjects? Its answer is subject-centered learning. Next question, how many distinct level of there in the SOLO solo structure of observed learning outcome taxonomy? 5. Which country was the first to recognize Pakistan independence in 1947? Iran. In which country is the historic Jamiatul Azhar Al-Azhar University located? Egypt. Who is historically regarded as the father of geometry? Euclid. Who was the first president of the Republic of China. Sun Yat-sen. And what is the ancient or old name of the country now known as Iraq? Mesopotamia. Which specific type of research is primarily used by practitioners to solve immediate practical problems? Action research. In educational terminology, what does acronym SLO stands for? Student learning outcome. The word psychology is derived from which two Greek words? Psyche, soul, mind, and logos study. On which continent are the uh, Agar mountains situated? Africa. What is the meaning of Urdu phrase काफूर हो जाना? इसका मतलब होता है गायब हो जाना, to disappear or vanish. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? Australia. Find the value of 11 की power a is equal 1331. Its answer is a is equal to 3. Next question. 80,000 cm 3 into liters. 80 liters. If x is equal to 7 minus 3 5, calculate the value of x minus x over 1. Its answer is 21 minus 15 5 bata 4. Next question. Babylon is ancient city located in which present day country? Iraq. From whom did Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah takes his oath as Governor General of Pakistan? Justice Sir Abdul Rashid. Among Barack Wall and Alan Lane, which is not a non-government organization, NGOs? Alan Lane, it is a publishing imprint. Next question. In Urdu sentence, why Nakami Matai Jaan Jata Raha? Which word acts as the Amdadi fail? इसमें अमदादी फेल क्या है? इसे इंग्लिश में auxiliary verb कहते हैं. Its answer is रहा. Next question. Who served as the Prime Minister of Japan during the majority of the year 2020? Shinzo Abe, succeeded by Yoshihide Suga in September. What are the 5 levels of Solo taxonomy? Pre-structural, unistructural, multistructural, relational, and extended abstract. Concept SLO. Definition: specific statement that describe what students are expected to know and be able to do by the end of the course or program. Next question. The Agar mountains are primarily located within the borders of which African country? Algeria. The 2019 National Youth Winter Games under 16 in Pakistan were primarily held in which region? Its answer is Nalthar Valley, Gilgit-Baltistan. So this is the whole video. Thank you for watching.